Take course 1, lesson 37. We're going to add and subtract our decimal numbers. Decimals, of course, show part of a whole or a mixed number by putting numbers to the left of a decimal and to the right. And when you add and subtract them, to make sure you don't make a mistake, you just line up those decimals. So 2 and 3/10, 2 and 41/100ths. You do not write, the way you would for 23 and 241. You would not write it this way. You see the issue? Our decimals are diagonal, and we need them to line up to make sure that, anything that's less than 1 is together in a group aligned by place value, and everything more than 1 over here aligned by place value so that we can add or subtract properly. Let's take a look. Rainfall over a 3-day period was 34 inches, 3.4 inches or 3 4/10 inches, 26 hundredths inches and 3/10 inches. Altogether, how many inches of rainfall fell? Realistic problem. Inches of rainfall rarely will be exactly the whole number inch. So you get these decimal mixed numbers. You align your digits. What's really in these blank spots then? If they don't give us a number, to make it easier, we should fill it in with some placeholders, zeros. So really it adds up to 6. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 3 is 9. Don't forget to drop that decimal here. And 3 plus these placeholder zeros, they even show those here in the problem, is 3. 3 and 96 inches, 3 and 96 hundredths inches of rain fell. Okay, one more. Gallon's about 3.78 liters. If Margaret pours 2.3 liters of milk from a 1-gallon bottle, how much milk remains in the bottle? We need to subtract 2 and 3/10 from 3 and 78 hundredths liters. We line up the decimal points and subtract, keeping in mind this is just a 0. They're not even making us borrow right now. So why don't you pick 5 from the group and show me what you got?